Welcome to Jaya's Gujarati kitchen. Today we're making another quick, easy recipe, Powa bateta, or potatoes with flaked rice. This is a recipe that is normally eaten for breakfast, but it's so good that you can have it at any time. Let's go through the ingredients together. 100 grams of powa or flaked rice, we are using the medium version. 100 grams of potatoes, which we have boiled, peeled and chopped into small pieces. 50 grams of cashews. 50 grams of raw peanuts with or without their skins. 50 grams of raisins. And 3 tablespoons of oil. And for spices, we are using approximately 12 curry leaves, 5 grams of ginger peeled and chopped, 1 green chilli chopped, 1/8 of a teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of sugar, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of lemon juice, half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of sesame seeds, and 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander. So, let's get our ingredients together. And let's start. We are starting this recipe by rinsing the powa or the flaked rice very thoroughly until the water runs clear. Please note that we are not soaking the powa, we are just rinsing it thoroughly. We are warming some oil in the frying pan, and we start by toasting the peanuts for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then we remove from the frying pan and set aside. In the same frying pan, with no additional oil, we toast the cashew nuts, again for another 2 to 3 minutes. And we set aside. And we repeat this process again with the raisins. In the same frying pan, with no additional oil, we can now add the mustard seeds and the sesame seeds, the chilli and the ginger, and cooking on low heat, we add the turmeric. The chopped potatoes, the curry leaves, we add the salt, give everything a good gentle mix. And now we can add the peanuts and the cashew nuts. It's looking colorful, right? We add the raisins. The sugar. And the lemon juice. And finally, we add the powa, or the flaked rice. We give everything a good mix to make sure that everything is well combined. After a few minutes, garnish with the chopped coriander, and your dish is ready to be served. And enjoy!